Thursday morning, about 10:30 a.m. and we finally got a little snow here in Kentucky. Weathermen said this would be the biggest snow we've had in several years. We don't have a half inch. Woo! They was calling for up to 6 inches. I think there's some more supposed to move through though. It's supposed to snow throughout the day today and part of the day tomorrow, but still not forecasting, but up to about 3 inches. But it's pretty. And cold. Lows tonight are supposed to be sub-zero wind chills and temperatures in the single digits. It's cold, windy, and the road department has went through and plowed the roads. Still a little snow on them, but this is a Kentucky snowstorm. At least it is the top we have for the last 10 years or so. They hadn't had a big snow since about 95, I believe it was, when we had about 8 to 10 inches and had drifts 2 foot deep in places.